Welcome to today's video, and I will tell you now, this AI side hustle I'm going to share with you. I have not seen anyone talking about this. I've not seen any YouTube videos on it. I've not seen any website articles or blogs, and the potential with this is ridiculous. Now, how do I know this and how did I stumble upon the website and the method I'm going to share with you today? Well, over here inside of the university, I'll show you this. So this is my training platform whereby we share multiple ways of earning an income online. And to prove that all of the methods work, we do this down here, which is case studies. And we've done quite a few in the past, you can see them. And we've just started on this new one over here, which is an Etsy case study. So I am going through literally what I teach inside of here in the principles category down here, and I am literally doing the whole process from scratch. Now, when I've gone through this process and I've got this up and running, I've stumbled across a number of things. So I'll share with you a couple of things, okay? So I'm not going to share everything with you that I'm going through in the university because it wouldn't be fair to the members. But that doesn't matter because I'm still going to show you everything how you can do this yourself, okay? So let me give you an example of this and then I'll share with you the website because I literally came across it last night and I'm a bit excited by it. So if I come over here, I'll show you this. So I'm on Etsy and I have just typed in the word Midjourney prompts, okay? Now let me go back, let me press the backspace so you can see this. So Midjourney prompts gets 22,200 searches a month. That's for Midjourney, okay? Now, we've also got a prompts guide, we've got a prompts generator and lots more. Now, if you don't know what this is, okay? So you can see over here on Etsy, we've got all of these different things. Now, what's happening is these different AI platforms. So, for example, Midjourney, I'll show you now. So, if I go over to Midjourney really quickly, and I'll log in here and I'll give you a brief example of this and how it works. Because essentially, this is a text to image generator using AI. And if you don't know what you're doing with this, or you don't know how to put in, proper text and things, what it gives you can be very different to what you'd actually have in your head. So an example of this is over on Midjourney. Let's just say I wanted, so I press on here, I press /prompt, and let's just say I want, I don't know, a colouring page of a dog, like so, and I hit on enter. Then what will happen is you can see it comes up here, it says waiting to start. Now, if you notice above me here, let's just scroll up. You see this, what someone else has put in. This is crazy. A slender girl who has 10 arms, a ball in each arm, etc., etc. Then they've got these different things down here, these abbreviations, --S7500, --V51. Now, when I was doing the case study for the university, I did a lot of research into this because, I wanted to, whenever I start looking at a new method, I always want to learn as much about it as possible. Now, inside of here, I want to see if this image has come up of my dog that we put in, okay? So where's it gone? Let's go and see if we can find our dog. So basically, this is how this platform works over here. So look, you can see, look, a colouring page for a dog. Now this is what it's given me back. Now in terms of this, that would be no good because obviously nobody could colour that in. That one would be no good. Maybe, maybe one of these up here would be good. But when I've been doing this research for this, I've been going through Midjourney, I've been reading articles on websites and other things, and I've been going ahead and collecting my own prompts and putting them into Canva over here, so you can see here. And I've also played around with this, and basically, as I have been, playing around with it and testing this, I've just been putting all of the prompts into here. And I've got, at this moment in time, you can see, I've created quite a few of these, and this has just come from time, effort, and playing around with this. Well, here's the crazy thing, okay? If we come back over here onto over onto Etsy, we can see Midjourney prompts, 22,000 people a month are searching for this. We've got this one down here, and it's not just Midjourney, okay? So Midjourney is text to image. If I put in here, let's just go with, I don't say chat GPT prompts. Now look at this, 18,000 people a month. Come down here, chat GPT, all of these ones down here. So over on Etsy, people are selling these listings. Now I'm not telling you to sell these listings on Etsy, although you could do if you wanted to. But here's something what you could actually do a little bit different. Let me get rid of this. So when I've been doing this research, I came across this website over here. Now this is called Promptbase.com, and what's happening on here is you can come on here, look, and you can find top prompts, produce better results, save on API costs, and sell your own prompts. So essentially you can come on here and list prompts for sale on here. You could also find prompts if you're looking for something. So if I just click on find a prompt, it takes me into the huge database over here. And we can see people are literally selling, but it's crazy this, people are selling one-line prompts inside of here, okay? So if I go into any one of these, like this one over here, Midjourney, okay? Scroll down here, look, what will I get for $4? Foods in digital style. So if I click on get prompt, it will give me one prompt, just one, for $4. It's crazy, just one prompt for $4 over on this platform over here. If I was to go into something else, let's just go find something else. What's this? Watercolor rural landscapes, $4.99. And you can see here, look, generates a huge variety of stunning watercolor art features, rural landscapes, All prompts for examples are included with your purchase, and that's it. I'm just trying to see if it shows you how many numbers are on there. But here's a cool thing, and I thought about this when we were driving home from nursery. So if people are selling one prompt over on here for $5 or $4, what you could potentially do is come over onto Etsy, and you could buy a prompt guide on here. So let's just go back to, let's just type in Midjourney prompts again. Midjourney prompts. Now down here, look. So for example, let's find a cheap one. Let's have a look at this one here, look, 150 t-shirt designs, £2.67, so a little over $3, okay? So I could go ahead and buy this. Now what will I get with this? This will give me a digital file with 150 t-shirt prompts, okay? So I've got 150. I can take the 150, I can play around with them, and I can put just one of those prompts I could list over onto here. Now let's have a look. Let's type in t-shirt prompt for Midjourney. Let's see what comes up for that. Goodness, look at this. T-shirt designs, $4, $4, $4. Look, black and white, $4. This one here. I mean, I'm astounded that people are selling prompts on here for $4 and $5. It's just nuts. So let me go into one. Let's just go into t-shirt design. Let's go into this one here. Look. So it's 55 words in total. This magnificent prompt creates truly extraordinary t-shirt designs ideal for creating the latest generation of t-shirts with a modern and reliable style. $5 for one prompt. Well, guess what? I can go on Etsy. I could buy this one over here. I could get 150 prompts, and then I could take those prompts, I could put them into Discord over here. I could play around with them, and then I could go ahead and sell that prompt, over on this website over here on Promptbase. Another thing what you could do, and this is something I was doing when I was doing a lot of research into this case study, is say you wanted something in particular. So if I come over here and I'm just going to type in t-shirt, and it will bring up anything with the word t-shirt in here. So we can see here, look, mock-up neckline label. So we could take this as an example, and then you can just expand upon this. So I'm not saying just to steal, these different prompts on here, but a lot of the time you will see they do follow similar variations, and they do, like version 5.1 --Q2 style. Well, you do see this quite a lot whenever you're doing a bit of research. But overall, this method of literally going ahead and creating these prompts and selling them on a marketplace like Promptbase, it's unreal. It really is. And here's a cool thing. It's a passive income, because once you've gone ahead and you've put your prompt on here, you can be making money, literally money, all the time. And when I say all the time, what I mean by that is you could be earning money when you're at work, when you're sleeping, and other bits. Okay. But yeah, I came across this website last night. I think I'm going to I'm going to look into this a little bit more. But overall, pretty impressed with it. And you've got a number of options with this. So you could go over onto Etsy and buy something like what we've got over here, or this, and then you could get these, like these prompts here. You've got 150. You can play around with them. Or what you could do is you could go into Discord and search up other people and, other people's prompts and have a look at them, and then start, playing around with them and creating your own variations of this. Or you could just literally, you could even go on here, I guess, and buy some listings, have a look at what their prompts, and then create your own. So yeah, what do you think of this method? But overall, prompts, especially, as we saw over here, come back over here, mid-journey prompts. 22,000 people a month are searching for mid-journey prompts. We've got thousands of people searching for ChatGPT. And unfortunately, whether you like it or not, AI isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So at this moment in time, it's a great opportunity to go ahead and start making some money. I'll see you soon.